bong. Ping pong.
The Ant and the Bird. On a hot summer day, a little ant went down to the river for some water. As the little ant walked to the tip of the leaf to get a drink of water, a sudden gust of wind blew him into the river.
Help! Help! Someone please help!
Nearby, a resting bird in a tree heard the ant screaming for help and went to see what was going on.
Help! Oh no, little ant! I'm going to throw you a leaf. Get on top of it, okay?
Thanks to the leaf, the ant was saved, and he was able to make it back onto land again.
Phew, I'm saved. Thank you so much. I will never forget what you did for me.
When the little ant looked up to look at the bird, he saw a hunter aiming his bow and arrow at his new bird friend.
It's a hunter! Friend, watch out! There's a hunter! Quick, fly away, friend, fly away!
Even after the ant's cries, the bird still had no clue as to what was going on. The little ant didn't know what to do except bite the hunter's foot. Ouch! Ow! The hunter threw down his bow and arrows and hopped in pain. Ouch! Ouch! The screaming startled the bird. He saw the hunter and quickly flew away.
Thank you, Ant. You saved my life. And you saved mine. Thank you so much.
In the middle of the forest, a large piece of meat was on a path. A dog and a cat both saw it at the same time and ran for it.